We can take that. You want to play a game for your tip?
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll go ahead and roll up the toilet paper. Okay, you roll it up. The
Okay.
more prizes you can get. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's see what you can do. And nice. Do you want green or orange?
Green.
Green, go ahead.
Okay.
Okay. And open it up, and
50.
$50.
This is mine. This is it. That's what I get.
That is yours. What are you gonna do with that money?
I'm gonna put this towards college.
College.
That's probably the best move.
Really? You're going to
Get
school?
a better job.
For what?
I'm hoping that maybe I can do. It's a long shot. Maybe with med school.
Med school. That's
It's
amazing.
a big move, but
Hey, if you can do it, then you can do it. And let's see if you can do it. Why don't you roll up the toilet paper even further?
okay.
Yeah, let's see what you can do. Let's go. And nice. So, med school, what makes you want to do that?
Seems like the best thing I should do for people.
You want to
Be a
help other
doctor
people?
for people.
That's
Hmm?
amazing. That's great. Seriously. So, okay. So med school, there's probably a lot of bills, a lot of books, a lot of tools. So do you want blue or orange to help with that?
Going orange.
Orange?
Mhm.
Go ahead, open up that egg. Let's see.
$20.
$20. So we've got 50, we've got 70 now. So that's amazing. You're at $70 as your total.
Oh, that's a lot.
That's a lot.
That's a lot to me.
A lot.
Thank you.
So, if you want, what we could do is you could just freeze and go home. Have $70, which is great. Or you could keep on playing. The choice is yours, though.
I'm gonna keep playing.
Are you gonna keep playing?
Mm-hmm.
Excellent. Okay, so just to be clear, you picked the green and the orange. So you like that side so far. I see. So let's see what you could have won. Okay. So you won 50. You could have gotten 5. So you picked right. You got 20. You could have gotten 10. So far you're sitting at $70 compared to 15. So I'd say you're doing really, really good.
Yeah.
Now, I am going to offer you a proposition. What if I give you $15? This $15 that you could have won, and I say stop for the rest of the day. Are you going to keep on playing? Or are you going to take the $15 and freeze?
I think I'm gonna keep playing.
You're going to keep on playing? Okay. Well, then why don't you go ahead and let's see what you've got. So you're going to roll it up, Mr. Med student. Now, has anyone in your family gone to med school before?
Nope, that'd be the first.
Really? Anybody in your family go to college?
No, not even.
You would
I'm
totally
kinda
be the first.
just going for it all. It's like.
That's amazing. Seriously. And what made you want to go to college on your own? I mean, that's pretty ambitious.
Yeah, well, that's why. I have to go for it all for my family. I want to give them more.
Wow. I mean, that's incredible that you're willing to do that. I don't even know what I would do. Because to be honest, I was the first person to go to college in my family, but my parents passed away. So it was through their legacy I was able to go to school. So the fact that you're trying to do it just on your own and just being brave and adventurous like that, that's incredible, seriously. So just to clarify, you made it past this level, which is awesome. So do you want blue or purple?
I'm gonna go with purple.
Purple?
Mhm.
Okay, why don't you open that bad boy up? Ooh, $20.
Nice.
So
Thank
now
you.
you are at a total of what?
Oh, okay. I've got.
$90.
It's not bad.
90's not bad,
That's a lot.
especially when you could. You could have gotten 70, but that's okay. Okay, it still would have been a total of 85, and you're at 90, so you're still winning. You're still in the lead technically. Now, I'm gonna offer you the same offer. Okay, you could take this $85 plus the 90, which would be a total of 175, and you could just be done for the day. Go home, go to your bosses. I mean, 175, that's a lot of money. What could you do with 175?
That's a lot. That'll get my textbooks.
Really?
Not all of them, but one or two.
One textbook is 175?
Yeah, they're a lot. That's what I'm
Really?
saying. So it's a long shot, but every dollar, is an extra step, that I didn't already have.
That's beautiful. I mean, when I was going to school, it was like maybe $50 for a book, but $175 for a single book. Are you sure about that?
Yeah.
Wow,
Right,
that's powerful. Okay, well, besides school, so you go to school. What do you like to do? Do you have any spare time? Do you have any free time to yourself, or?
Not really, no. I mean, every second I get, I'm putting in this job.
Really?
I need every dollar, every penny I can get.
How many hours are you working?
At least 70.
70
At least.
a week.
It goes higher. I stay here.
They better be
Morning
giving
and
you
nights.
overtime.
They are. Thankfully, it's not still nothing much. This
Yeah.
this right here is just insane. This much.
Really?
I mean, you're tipping this much. This is just insane.
Well, yeah, that should go all to you. Do people not tip that much?
No, I wish I'd be much further along right now and closer to school if they did.
Really? Do you sometimes get people that just don't tip at all, or
Yeah.
they tip $1?
Mhm.
That's insane. I thought that only happened like in the movies and stuff. Oh my
I'm in
gosh.
that movie then.
Okay, so just to clarify, you could take this extra bucks and make it 175 and stop, or you could go for the big prizes. Now, inside these big eggs, there may be $1 and there may be nothing.
I gotta do it.
You gotta do it?
I'll do it.
You sure?
Yes.
Are you positive?
Positive. I have to.
Okay.
Have to.
But I will remind you, if you spill the water, it could possibly make things worse. And just for that, I'm going to raise the stakes by adding more water. Now, do you think you can get it done?
I think I can get it done.
You sure?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Let's go ahead and see if you can do it. No pressure.
No pressure.
No pressure. There you go. Careful. Yes. Yes. Are you sure you've got it?
I got it.
You got it. Look at that confidence. That's coming from a med student right there. That is coming from someone who's going to be a doctor. Oh. Oh. Oh, a little bit more. All the way. Nailed it. Unbelievable. Look at that precision. That skill. Okay. So you made it to the last level. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
You positive?
Oh,
Okay. So now you've got blue or you've got red. Choice is yours.
okay. So this is it.
Blue Cross Blue Shield or the Red Cross?
Gonna go red.
Red?
Mm-hmm.
Go for it then.
Going red.
If you're positive, now let's see what you could have won. Ready? And you could have won, my friend. Ooh. See how much that is? 100, 200, $300. You did not win that, and I'm so sorry. But let's see what you did win.
Okay. 200. Oh, that's it. It's
200?
still more than I was expecting.
200 plus 90 plus the 300.
Cost.
590. 590. It's all yours.
All mine.
All yours.
Every dollar. This
Yes.
right.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you.
You're welcome.